Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Debezium change data capture with Confluent step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a working environment with Confluent platform installed. Begin by downloading and installing Debezium connectors compatible with your database. Launch the Confluent Control Center to manage your components efficiently. Navigate to the Connectors section within the Control Center interface. Select the option to create a new connector. Choose your desired Debezium connector type from the list displayed. Configure the connector settings as required, including specifying the database host, port. Set the topics for change data capture that you want to monitor. Define any additional settings such as snapshot mode, poll interval, and timeout settings. Once your settings are configured, review them carefully for accuracy. Click the Create button to initiate the connector. Monitor the status of your newly created connector in the Control Center dashboard. Check the logs for any errors or warnings during the connector startup process. Test the connection by executing a write operation on the monitored database. Return to the Control Center to verify that the changes are reflected in the appropriate Kafka topic. You can consume the captured change events using any Kafka consumer client. Explore the data captured to ensure it aligns with your expectations and requirements. Adjust connector configurations as needed to fine-tune performance and data accuracy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment in. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.